Learner and teacher absenteeism at schools all over the country has troubled the Ministry of Education for a number of years now. According to the ministry, statistics indicate that in grade 1, the country begins with an enrollment of over 40,000 pupils, yet the end of the primary school cycle realizes only 27,000 learners. The big question is, where do the over 10,000 learners go to? And how will the mobile application for tracking learner and teacher attendance help resolve this puzzle?
This particular mobile application is going to assist us in getting information as quickly as possible from the so-called remote schools, the rural areas, this is why we want to see whether it's going to be worth it rolling it out to the rest of, because we have just under 900 schools, just to see whether all 900 schools can benefit from such a project. What is good about this application is that we can communicate from headquarters to the regions can communicate directly with the head teachers, and even the head teachers can communicate amongst themselves. In fact, like I'm saying, what is good about the project is that even the communities can go, if they now know that one of the head teachers has the gadget, they can go to this particular head teacher and ask that to use the same gadget to communicate with the headquarters, so that we are able to respond as quickly as possible to issues arising from the schools.
Swazi MTN, a partner in the project through their Chief Executive Officer Ambrose Dlamini, says the new age technology embraces His Majesty's government's aspirations for delivering services electronically. Dlamini revealed that this mobile application will increase the efficiencies and monitoring systems of both the Ministry of Education and schools all over the country.
So the Ministry of Education requested that we help develop a school registration process or program where teachers and students will register when they come to school, so that the government or the Ministry of Education will know the trends and also be able to follow the different schools in terms of the level of attendance. This, we believe, will help government to further improve and pick up key learnings about the different schools, and see how the schools can be supported, how pupils can be supported.
The Republic of Gambia, that already uses this application in managing their schools, was present during the official launch of the application. Namibia also attended to learn from both Swaziland and Gambia, as they also wish to implement this technology. Here at home, the application will be piloted in 55 schools in the country's 4 regions, effective in May 2017. Thereafter, the Minister of Education will make a decision if this is feasible as a national project. Reporting for Swazi TV, I'm John Perez and Smuva Shongwe, Ezulwini.